That is the Cypress section of the Nimitz Freeway, and you can see, oh my God, look at that. The freeway has just completely collapsed.
It is one of the most enduring images from the 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake.
This is so much worse than we at first thought.
I was the first television reporter on the scene. 14 city blocks of the double-decker Cypress section of Highway 880 had been damaged or collapsed.
It's something that is beyond belief. There are rush hour cars, rush hour traffic that was trapped on this lower level. You can see the upper level sitting on top of the lower level right now. Those cars, those people still trapped underneath there.
You could hear voices, screaming, help me, help me, help me, until the fire just started. Then you don't hear them no more.
Dozens of cars and trucks were crushed under concrete. 42 people died here. Dozens more were injured. Many people were pulled out in the hours after the freeway collapsed.
Some cars weren't that crushed and people had crawled